Have you ever imagined making $580 a day by simply using Google? Well, it's not a dream, it's a reality. In today's video, we are about to unveil a powerful copy and paste method that allows you to earn a substantial income using the world's most popular search engine, Google. No, you don't need any special skills and you don't have to be an expert in anything. This method is accessible to everyone and it's completely legit. So, if you're ready to turn your internet searches into a lucrative online income, stay tuned. We are about to show you how to get paid $580 a day using Google's copy and paste method. So, let's get started.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
First, we'd like to guide you through a simple process that can help you start earning money online. Begin by opening your web browser and performing a Google search for Listverse. The very first result you see should lead you to the Listverse website. Alternatively, you can simply type listverse.com into your browser's address bar. Listverse, established in 2009, stands as the internet's original top 10 site. It is a treasure trove of captivating, rare insights into human knowledge, presented in the form of intriguing lists. You'll find a plethora of top 10 topics here, each one packed with fascinating information. These articles are read by millions of people worldwide, making them quite more popular. Now, what's intriguing about Listverse is that these articles are created by everyday individuals just like you and me. Later in this video, we will demonstrate how you can craft these articles with the assistance of ChatGPT. Before we dive into that, let us explore how you can make money in this platform. Hover your mouse pointer over the More tab and click on the options that reads Write and Get Paid. This will take you to a page where you can discover the earning potential on Listverse. Essentially, they offer to pay you $100 for your contributions. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have a command of English equivalent to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and an appreciation for the unusual and interesting. Here's how it works. You compose your list within a minimum of 10 items per list. Submit it, and Listverse will respond, either saying, "Great, we will publish it," and sending you $100 via PayPal, or they might say, "Sorry, it isn't quite what our readers will love. Give it another try." Keep in mind that your list should have at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry. And regardless of the outcome, you win because your list will be reviewed, and if it's outstanding, it will appear on Listverse's front page, reaching millions of readers every month. It's important to note that Listverse only accepts lists from writers with a PayPal account, so be sure to have one in place.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Now that we have discussed where and how to get paid, let's delve into the next step, which involves creating the actual list we intend to submit to Listverse. Keep in mind that we won't be crafting the list manually. Instead, we will harness the power of ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI based on GPT 3.5 architecture. This remarkable AI is capable of comprehending and generating human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT can be employed for a range of natural language processing tasks, including answering questions, generating text, offering recommendations, and as you've guessed it, crafting top 10 list articles for us. To get started, simply visit chat.openai.com and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, the sign-up process is straightforward. Click on the sign up button and it will guide you through the registration steps. You can choose to sign in using your Google account, Microsoft account, or Apple account for added convenience. Once you have your account set up, initiate a new chat and input the following prompt. Create a quick blog post about a viral top 10 list. In just a matter of seconds, ChatGPT will provide you with a comprehensive list that you can use to submit to Listverse. If you desire another list, simply input this prompt. Create another viral top 10 blog about a different subject, and you'll receive another one without any hassle. You can then copy and paste it onto Listverse for submission by returning to the platform and clicking on the red submissions form link. Now, let's explore another exciting opportunity to maximize your earnings using the same article. As you can see right here, a YouTube Shorts channel is ranking in over $20,000 by creating these top 10 Shorts videos. That's an astounding $20,000 per month, totaling $250,000 per year. We will show you precisely how to achieve this. If you take a closer look at the channel, it boasts over 100,000 subscribers, and its content primarily consists of top 10 list videos. These videos are generated using AI, and we'll walk you through the process. We will utilize a platform called unveil.io, which offers an AI-powered text-to-video software. Let's delve into the exciting process of turning your ideas into engaging YouTube Shorts videos using the versatile unveil.io platform. This user-friendly tool can be a game changer in unlocking a fresh avenue for potential earnings. To kick things off, once you've landed in the unveil.io platform, it's time to take action. Look for a click on the AI text-to-video option. This serves as your portal to crafting visually captivating short-format videos. With that step accomplished, direct your attention to the right side of the interface where you'll spot the settings for video orientation. Given our attention to create short-style videos, be sure to select Portrait as your desired orientation. Now, let's talk about templates. unveil.io offers a diverse array of templates that cater to various styles and content themes. Think of these templates as a creative canvas where your ideas will come to life. For our illustration, we have opted for a specific template, but feel free to explore the selection and pick one that resonates most with your content and vision. Here's where the real synergy comes into play. unveil.io provides an option that says Ask AI to write your script. This is precisely what we want to leverage. Remember ChatGPT, the powerful AI language model? You can actually go back to ChatGPT, generate a script, and then simply copy and paste it into the unveil.io platform. This approach gives you the best of both worlds: the AI-generated script and the flexibility to fine-tune it to your liking. With your script securely in place, it's time to take the next step. Click that Create Scenes button and watch the magic unfold. The AI swiftly generates scenes based on your script, transforming your written content into a visually engaging video format. It's remarkably straightforward and efficient. Now, as if by magic, your video is ready to shine. The final piece of the puzzle is downloading your masterpiece. In just a few clicks, you'll have your video file into your fingertips, ready to be shared to the world. With this innovative approach, you're opening up an exciting new frontier for potential earnings. The synergy between ChatGPT and unveil.io allows you to harness the power of AI to create captivating content for your YouTube Shorts channel, potentially expanding your reach and income opportunities.
And that's it for today. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified in our future uploads.